Good evening, student. Today I am discuss you in English medium ninth class chapter first about self or unit of the life. Unit of the life means structural and functional unit of living things is known as the cell. Cell are coined by the Robert Hooke in 1665 when he cut a slice of the cork. Cork is a special type of wood. We can say cork wood. When he examined the slice of cork, he saw this type of structure like honeycomb like structure. Honeycomb like structure, he named them the each structure or each compartment called cell. We can say cellula is cellula means cell means compartment. Then Leeuwenhoek, the scientist or biologist Leeuwenhoek invented the living cell. There are mainly two types of cell. First known as the prokaryotic cell. Prokaryotic cell. Second known as the eukaryotic cell. Means prokaryotic means primitive and eu means develop. The prokaryotic cell have no cell membrane like bacterial cell or prokaryotic cell which have only the genetic material DNA or chromosome and no any other cell organelles are present. If any cell organelles are present, they are undeveloped. Means mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum, nuclear membrane, lysosome are absent. The ribosome are present in prokaryotic cell. Only 70s type of ribosome are present. Then eukaryotic cell means developed cell. Means which cell have the nuclear membrane or true nucleus are present is known as the eukaryotic cell. Means in this cell have nucleus, in nucleus chromatin are present and basically the type of organism also two type of cell, plant cell and animal cell. The difference between the plant cell and animal cell, we can say this is the animal cell and this is the plant cell. In plant cell, the chloroplast are present, but in animal cell, chloroplast are absent. Chloroplast are absent. In plant cell, cell wall are present, but in animal cell, cell wall are absent. This is the plasma membrane. Plasma membrane and the centriole are present in the animal cell, but the centriole are present absent in the plant cell. We can say the plant and animals are different in following ways. In the plant cell, the ultrastructure of cell means by the electron microscope. So the ultrastructure in the plant cell, a eukaryotic cell, nucleus are present. Nucleus are the surrounded by the nuclear membrane and have a chromatin. The lysosome are absent in plant cell and endoplasmic reticulum, ER we can say, chloroplast, mitochondria, cell membrane, nuclear membrane, Golgi complex, on the nuclear endoplasmic reticulum. There are so many bead-like structure are attached, that is known as the ribosome. Ribosome are found into the free state into the cell and also attached from the endoplasmic reticulum. Basically, the in plant cell there are large bicole are present. Large bicole are present, but the bicole into the animal cell are absent. This bicole certainly we can we can say this is the eukaryotic cell, and cell we can say the definition of the cell simply the unit of the life, but the complex definition of the cell is the structure and functional unit of the living things. Non-living things are not included by the cell. They are known as the matter. After the die or the spire of the things, they are changed into the matter, but the cell is the living, or we can say cell is the structural and functional unit of the living things. This cell are like a factory. We can say nucleus. Nucleus is the brain of the cell. Mitochondria. Mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell. Chloroplast in the plant cell. These are the kitchen of the cell. And also the ribosome are protein factory of the cell. So we discuss about the invention of the cell 1665, Robert Hooke, and living things, living cell discovered by the Leeuwenhoek, prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell, plant cell and animal cell, and the certainly about the cell and cell organelles. Again, in the next classes, we can discuss about the organelles of the cell like mitochondria detail, mitochondria, chloroplast, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi complex, etc. We discuss in next period in English medium. धन्यवाद.